Hello everyone. Ayan. For today guys, I'm posting my YouTube again because how many months it's a lot, I'm so busy. So now I'm here again for the another posting the YouTube because my YouTube guys very slow my watch hour now. So guys, before how many months because my process my visa, so I like you can go the US, but it's not I'm going because it's very I have problem for my sponsor. You don't have a sponsor, so my husband and my one daughter Brianna, you go the US, you join for father. Then right now guys, my husband is ready you back again here in the Philippines because not me you can go in US. So my husband you back again in the Philippines. So hard, but you don't have choice. Even me guys, that one I wish you can go the US, but it's very hard. So it's better for me I'm stay here in the Philippines is joining my husband right now. So how many months guys you don't have video because a lot busy. Then my daughter Sabrina, remembers guys, before Sabrina I'm still breastfeeding, but now starting the schooling again. So past few years, and Sabrina too is so fast you big right now. Now Sabrina is 4 years old, so he's starting the schooling the daycare. No, kinder. So I'm busy a lot. Then now I'm another transfer my another new home because before in the March I'm go the province. Then a lot my stuff. Then my husband you go the US, so a lot my stuff I'm selling. So right now you don't have a lot of stuff. So this one guys, oh, you don't have a lot of stuff. So like this one is simple my life right now. You don't have a lot stuff. So I'm waiting my husband you back here. So my husband again you buy for the ref. You don't have ref now. So I'm with my husband. After you back here, you buy the ref, buy the TV like that. I'm drinking coffee. So that one because a lot my followers are in the YouTube. You ask me where are you now, why you don't have video you posting guys. You comment me in the you comment me in the my TikTok account. So I'm here now guys. I need you help me for support again and like that, supporting me guys for my video like that. And I'm back the YouTube again. It's a lot my watch hour, a lot my watch hours guys low. Bibi now my watch hour now I have 1,000, so I need the back in 4,000 watch hour again. So another back my monetization again my YouTube channel. So guys, can you help me and my YouTube again you back and watch my video like that. And thank you guys to all my subscribers. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I love you guys. Thank you very much, and I love you so much for supporting my channel. I miss you guys.